Hi, my name is Chen Zhaoyi. I come from the Hong Kong University of Science and Technology. Now, today my poster title is Alignment Layer Optimization of Electrical Surprise Helix Ferroelectric Liquid Crystal, which is got the Distinguished Paper Award in the Display Week 2025. So, our work is focused on FLC display because now, up to date, the display need high contrast, low voltage obturation, and very fast response time. So we introduced our FLC display, especially in ESHFLC, which is surprise helix ferroelectric liquid crystal. Now, we used one special alignment layer, which is used in display industry for pneumatic liquid crystal display. And now, but up to now, other alignment layer is not very good for the ESHFL display, such as the SD1 and the 916. For SD1, because of the temperature and the humidity, it cannot stand for the ultraviolet and high humidity. And the 916 is also not good for the industry mass production. So we introduced one special alignment layer which can be used for industry and especially for mass productions. And then in our poster, we found different concentrations of this alignment layer. And we can see here, we from the 0.6 to the 3 concentration. And we can find in our plot, the peak contrast ratio can up to the 6,800. And besides this, we also introduced the different rubbing torque. Rubbing torque is the alignment method in the industry and for the mass production. We found if we choose the medium rubbing torque, the contrast can be higher to more than about 9,000, so which is enough for the normal display. And besides this, we also developed our ESHFLC, which is a special material. We can see this part. This is some parameters of these ESH materials. And this materials is developed by our own university in the Hong Kong University of Science and Technology and the State Kiev Laboratory. And we can see this special FLC, the response time can up to 22 microseconds, which is really fast at the 5 voltage. And so for the faster response time, it is very suitable for the nowadays the display. And apart from of the above, we also analyze the balance between the anchoring energy and the elastic energy. We can see from this photo, the different colors domain means the balance between the elastic energy and other energy, and we want to find a suitable concentration of alignment layer to keep the best balance. And the last thing we do is we also analyze the diffraction of the display, because for our commercial use, we don't want any diffractions. But then we also found one special concentration to find the minimal diffractions, which is beneficial to our displays. So our whole poster work is to want to introduce a special alignment layer and to optimize the concentration and the rubbing torque to which can suitable for the mass production in the industry. And then I want to acknowledge the support from the Hong Kong University of Science and Technology and our SKL lab and my professor Abhishek. So this is the all introduction of my work.
Can you say a little bit more about when you talk about electrically suppressed helix ferroelectric?
Okay.
Is this a very special kind of implementation of the LCD, or is it very standard, but you're improving what's on the market already?
No. Now, for this special material, yes, there is not some commercial products now. It's different from normal LCD because for now, some commercial LCD is used pneumatic liquid crystal, which is different from the electrical surprise helix FLC. So for our material, we introduced the ESHFLC, which is one kind of the FLC, because it is special. We can see this picture. We introduced the special alignment to let the liquid crystal can align like these directions. And from this, we can also see under the voltage, it can show some dark area and the light area. So we call it domain. So when the dark area and the light area can be equal at the same time, so that means the material of this FLC is the best.
And can you say a little bit more about this special material? How do you make it, or how did you find it?
Oh, so my work is not about the development of the material. So this material is specially designed by our chemists in our lab, and they are in the Hong Kong University of Science and Technology.
Why they make this material?
Oh, because now ESHFLC is one category of FLC, and FLC has many categories like SSFLC, DHFLC, and the ESHFLC. And actually, for all ESHFLC and the DHFLC, most of them we can develop in our lab in HKUST. And why we want to develop, because we found now some commercial ESHFLC, especially the response time and the tilt angle stabilization is not good, because for our display we want a very fast time and to can at the very low voltage. So we developed this FLC to achieve at the 5 voltage, a very low voltage, to achieve a very fast response time, just 22 microseconds.
And when you talk about pneumatic LCD or how it works, it looks like there's alignments here. Everything is going the same direction, and you are optimizing the alignment?
No, we're optimizing the concentration of the alignment. Which concentration? Because in our fabrications, we coating the alignment layer. We coating the alignment layer in the glass. So the PI solution is the alignment layer. So we change the concentration of the PI solution and to get the different the POM images and the contrast ratio. And then from this, we can find the most suitable solution of PI layer to achieve the best contrast ratio.
And what do you think could be useful about this in the industry?
It can be used because after this work, we are going to product something in the industry. We cooperated with one company in China mainland. It's called Goworld, and we try to develop one 15-inch displays for the commercial use. It is still ongoing.
What could be the advantage of this display?
The advantage is so up to now there is no some commercial ESHFL display in the market. So we want to make the first one ESHFLC display in the market. That's what we want to do.
Does that mean it could be better displays, cheaper displays,
Yes.
or what could be the goal?
It could be further, because this is still in the LCD industry. So we want to put the LCD industry the performance, especially the contrast ratio, to a up layer. And besides this, the cost is also very low, because the cost is still an advantage for the all LCD industry.